the North Pole, where our reindeers Charlotte and Kiara are getting ready for the big night. First up, Charlotte will teach us the Jingle Bells steps, followed by Kiara with her famous high knees reindeer prance. All right, everyone, it's time to learn the Jingle Bells steps. Are you ready to shake and jingle with Charlotte? First, shake to the right. Move your arms and jingle your bells while shifting your weight to your right foot. Shake, shake, shake to the right and down. Can you feel the jingle? Now, let's shake to the left. Transfer your weight to your left foot and shake your bells to the left and down, side to side, just like Jingle Bells. Let's put it all together. Shake to the right, then to the left. Move your body and transfer your weight side to side. Right, right, left, left. Look at all those jingling bells. Great job, everyone. You've got the jingle down. Now it's time to get those knees up high for Kiara's reindeer prance, just like we do when we pull Santa's sleigh. Lift your knees up high as you prance to the right and then to the left. Use your arms to help you balance. Keep those legs moving high like a proud reindeer. Right, left, left. That's right, you're doing it. Just like a reindeer flying through the sky. Wow, what a performance. Charlotte and Kiara have taught us some amazing moves. Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.
Ready, set, dance!